Daily use English sentences. दूसरों पर मत हंसो. Do not laugh at others. Do not laugh at others. मुद्दे पर आओ. Come to the point. Come to the point. अपने काम पर ध्यान दो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. कृपया थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार करें. Please wait for a bit. Please wait for a bit. बकवास मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. चलो अब चलते हैं. Let us go now. Let us go now. मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. Come with me. वक्त बताएगा. Time will tell. Time will tell. बड़ी राहत मिली. What a relief. What a relief. बड़े शर्म की बात है. What a shame. What a shame. मुझे सोचने दो. Let me think. Let me think. यह तुम्हारे ऊपर है. It's up to you. It's up to you. सुंदर दिख रहे हो. You look amazing. You look amazing. मेरा सिर मत खाओ. Don't nag me. Don't nag me. कोई बात नहीं. No mention. No mention. बस बहुत हुआ. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. चलो बाद में बात करते हैं. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. मुझे सफाई नहीं चाहिए. I want no clarification. I want no clarification. तुम हमेशा अपनी चलाते हो. You always bosses around. You always bosses around. यही तो मेरी खासियत है. This is only my specialty. This is only my specialty. बिजली चली गई. Power went out. Power went out. रट्टा मत मारो. Don't mug up. Don't mug up. चिढ़ाना बंद करो. Stop teasing. Stop teasing. बाद में पछताना मत. Don't regret later. Don't regret later. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? पैर मत घसीटो. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं. I am not a puppet. I am not a puppet. पूछ कर बताओ. Ask and let me down. Ask and let me down. मुझे निराश मत करना. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. मैं वहाँ नहीं पहुँच सकता. I can't reach there. I can't reach there. हमें अब चलना चाहिए. We should leave now. We should leave now. तुमने मेरा फ़ोन क्यों काटा? Why did you hang up on me? Why did you hang up on me? जगह खाली करो. Vacate the place. Vacate the place. आपने मेरे लिए किया क्या है? What have you done for me? What have you done for me? मेरा मूड खराब मत करो. Don't spoil my mood. Don't spoil my mood. मेरा तुमसे कोई लेना देना नहीं. I have nothing to do with you. I have nothing to do with you. मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा ही रहूँगा. I will remain as I am. I will remain as I am. Thanks for watching my videos.